Hello. So, David Bradley from the pet room here. I have the board all set up here. I have my sockets marked, not sockets, my chips marked, and I believe the iron is ready, I think. So, I will get some reasonably powered reading glasses on, and I will go at this. I will try anyway. I think I will start here. Now, I know this is plugged in. Sometimes it takes a little longer. Well, that seems to go well. Always squeezing the ball out away from the board. Okay, I see the solder flowing. I think I want to go back on that. Just give that a little push. Give that a little push. Maybe I will try, as things are happening here, give this a little push before I do the suction to try and get the pins as close to the middle of the hole as possible. That way, the chip has a greater chance of coming out very easily. But there's always something that needs a bit of adjustment. Always something. This is usually the one. I think this is like a grounded, or it's on a bigger bus, and it takes a little extra. Okay, so that is one row of that chip. I'll go to this side. And carry on. So far, so good. It may be, of course, that only one of these chips is bad. And in that case, I'm doing more than needs to be done. But chances are, these seem to be a common failure in a lot of machines. That if, okay, put that down, shake out the hand, shake out the hand, shake out the hands. Anyway, better to have them socketed for the future. Just be careful, take your time. And I think those all look pretty fine. Undoubtedly, something will need a bit of an adjustment. So we're carrying on to chip number 2. All right. Keep moving along. I'm pushing them a bit towards the center, although I don't know that they've been moving much, these pins. I will try. Shake out the hand, shake out the hand. Okay, back to it. All right, let's have a look. I'm not there yet, but these glasses are good. Ugh. These ones, oh my, I might, oh yeah, this is an incredible view. So things are looking pretty good. I think there's probably some I might have to go back to, give a little push. These things have my wow. Ah, those are beastly. All right, back to the last row. So I am surprised that that whole bunch of sockets that I got don't have any 18s. I think I was fooled a little bit. But there's lots of other sizes in these machines, so it will be helpful. Okay. I believe they're all done. I'm going to have a really close look. Let's see what I see. All right, there's one here. I have not really done this with this iron before. There's one here I think could use a little pushover and a little suction. And this I think could use a little pushover, just a little tweak, little tweak, little tweak, little tweak. Where this iron gets hot when you're this close. Little tweak, little tweak, little tweak, little tweak, little tweak, little tweak. Little tweak, little tweak. It's getting hot here. There's one here that might actually need a little more suction. That's really something. Okay, I'm going to turn this over and do my best to get, yeah, those are the two chips that I just, no, they're not. These two are the ones I just released, I hope. Or are they? Ugh. It's easy when you turn a board over to get kind of twisted around here. Hang on. Yes, that's them. I knew it was. Just, I don't want to go prying on a chip that I haven't even loosened. That would not go well. Alright, there's a little screwdriver. There's a teeny tiny screwdriver. I sense movement. This one I do not sense so much movement. Wiggle, wiggle. No, we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Gotta be careful. Alright, I'm going from the other side. Try and get a little underneath. Aha, I think that was it. Aha. Okay. One chip is out. This other one did not seem to. Oh, okay. It's on the move now. Maybe a little more tweakage on this end first. Haha. I think we're almost there. Wiggle, wiggle. Ha ha ha. Okay, 2 removed RAM chips. Lovely. Now, before I put the sockets in, if I feel like it, and I might, I can actually test these chips in one of the other pets. But do I want to do that yet? Maybe not. Maybe it is time to take a little break, get the sockets. You can see this board is dusty. Look at how green and beautiful that is underneath the chips. Anyway, I think maybe what I will do is unplug the de-soldering iron so it can cool in case Penny should jump up. I gotta guard it until it's cool. And then I will get the sockets, which are here, and hopefully they will fit in nicely and they will not try and fall out. Watching the witness mark. Hopefully they will not try and fall out when I flip the board over, because I must flip the board over. This one might have a bit of an issue. It might. Oh, it's in. Okay, so I think it's time to carry on, gather up other things, get the iron seated, get the solder ready, and do the sockets. And, am I immediately going to test these chips in another machine? Not necessarily. Anyway, thanks for coming. Stay tuned for more operations in this operation. Bye for now.